Hey everyone, so this is my second presentation today. Real presentation of myself. So my name is Hakim. I'm the director and head of crypto at Search Group. So what is Search Group? So basically we are a leading recruitment company in the crypto space. We've been hiring for a lot of different companies, like including exchanges, protocols, and all type of crypto projects, AI, and tech. So I would like to start by a basic question. If you are today building a project, you'll need maybe funding. You're going to pitch your idea to VCs. What is the first thing that they are looking at? Your team. This is the most crucial point where the investors, hedge funds, angel investors even, or VCs are looking at. Why? Because they are investing in people, not in the projects. So it's really crucial to have a strong team. So today, I wanna talk about the recruitment talent crisis, especially in crypto. Why is it so complicated to find the right talent and eventually the competent one, especially in crypto? It's just because like the best people are for sure working somewhere else. And it's super hard to find, especially in crypto, some interesting people to hire. So what we have today is like the crypto market is booming. We've seen a huge surge of the price of the crypto, maybe the number of companies emerging every day, but for the talent, it's another story. We're still having a lot of issues when it comes to hiring the best people for the right project. Also, in crypto, we are looking for example, DeFi specialists or, for example, NFT specialists, which is like super hard to find because we don't have this in the traditional finance. So we can't just go to like the traditional companies and try to headhunt them. It's way more complicated than that. Of course, the culture. The culture is way more different than, traditional companies, because we've seen that in crypto, people need to be more flexible and more versatile, which is a little bit complicated to find it in the traditional market. So it's not that easy to hire or maybe train or maybe find some relevant talent. So here's the challenges. I can tell you that hiring people, candidates, top talents in crypto is a little bit different from hiring people in Web2, banking system, finance, tech, and AI. Crypto is way more complicated. It's not the kind of going to LinkedIn, posting an ad, and finding the right candidates, right? It's going to be like way more complicated than that. And that's the reason why at the moment, and you will see this in the next slides, crypto people are paid up to 100% more than the other candidates like in Web2, tech, and stuff. And that's the reason why, because it's so hard to find them. The crypto space is only like 13, 15 years old, so we don't have enough experience to bring it. And eventually, people in Web 2 are a little bit scared to move to Web 3. So here's a chart that shows you how many open jobs are currently in the crypto markets. We can see that the chart is from 2021 till 2025. We can see that there is a consistency, even though today the market is not that good, but we can see that there is always a lot of open roles. And you know why? It's actually because most of the jobs, a lot of companies, talking about the big companies, they have always some open roles, like open. And then we have a lot of applicants who want to get there. But the problem is the applications are not that relevant. So those roles are still open for like months, which is a big problem. Now, I want to talk about a particular point, how the market is going. Like before that, like talking about 2021, where the market was a little bit, a little bit small and not mature enough. So now, today, we can see that even if the crypto market is going down, which is the case today, we still have a lot of companies hiring, which is really good, really mature, and eventually we can see consistency. So today, we can say that the industry is going on the right way, which is good. So the slide can show you the top 3 Web3 jobs like open today. We can see that there is a huge demand for business development, operations, any kind of developers, and yeah, that's a lot. And then the other side, we can see the most applied jobs. Mostly it's for like analyst, regulatory, internship. A lot of interns want to get to crypto even if they are like more senior than what they are. So here's the type for engineers who want maybe to get into crypto. It's a little bit different because in crypto, as you can see, we focus a lot on solidity and the rest. So if you want to get in crypto, you are a talent. You are like a tech talent. You want to get to crypto, you'll need to focus a lot on solidity and rest. Again, here is the Web3 technology in demand. Like you can see, a lot of different aspects that are a little bit different from Web 2, and that's the differentiation. Because Web 3 is way different than Web 2, and that's why it's a little bit harder. But it's worth it. So we have a lot of clients coming to us, asking us, yeah, I want to hire, like, for example, I want to hire a sales guy. I want to hire a developer. But the problem is, since the market is still not mature enough, we still don't have a framework. We still don't know what would be the salary of any talents. So they're coming to us saying, hey, I want to hire like a marketing manager, but I'm not sure what will be the salary of those people. The thing is, it's really different from the Web 2 expertise, but we have some data here that can maybe help out. And yeah, the talents also, they're coming to Web3. They don't know what are their value. They don't know what they expect. They don't know what they should ask. So at Search Group, we have both of them, like talents, but also the projects who want us to guide them through this really hard topic. That's where Search Group comes in. So who we are not just recruiters. Let me tell you, when we are approached by a lot of projects, a lot of founders, a lot of from different scales, talking about like big protocols, big exchanges, till even startups or ideas, we are not only recruiters, we are experts in crypto. We have more than a decade of experience in the crypto space. We've been building like companies, startups, and different entities. So we know what are the problems, we know what are the hurdles, we know how difficult it could be to hire the right talent, but also we are here to help any type of company or eventually any good talents who want to get to crypto. So we are redefining the crypto recruitment. And what's like our approach? How are we approaching the crypto space? I can tell you that it's a case by case. Every project is different from the other. Every project, we approach it in a different way. Because crypto is not something fixed. You need to get ready to challenges. And according to our experience, we know exactly what's the type of talents that any project needs. And eventually, what are like the type of compensation? We have both of them, like from the projects and the talent. Like last time we had the clients coming to us saying that, hey, they wanted to hire a sales guy, but unfortunately, they were trying for like 4 or 5 months and then no new results. a sales guy in crypto is way more different. So we use mostly our connections. Like we are pretty much well connected to the crypto space, attending most of the events worldwide, and eventually we're well connected with the whole industry. And yeah, that's what we do. But also we are using a lot of tools, a lot of professional tools. And yeah, it's not the kind of going to LinkedIn, posting some ads, and getting your talent. If you do it, what you will get? Yes, you will get 1,000 of applications. And then you'll need a full-time job person to sort it out. At the end, what you will get? It's going to be complicated. Maybe 1, 2, or 3 relevant candidates. That's pretty much harder. So we're saving time for both. We're saving time for the projects who wanted to hire. It's way more easier for the projects to just come to us, ask for a type of approach, and maybe like we'll need just a JD. A JD will find the right candidates according to the criteria, the project, but also more important than anything, the culture of the company. So yeah, at Search Group, we really care about the candidate needs, but also the project needs. So we go carefully, and so far we provided the best talents in the crypto market for almost like any type of crypto project, because it's really different. Like talking about an RWA project, it's not the same needs that you'll need to do with an exchange, a protocol, or even like a startup. So why Search Group? A good question. As I said before, we are not just recruiters. We are experts. We are diving into crypto for almost like 10 years. We know exactly what's like the need of every project, and we approach it in a really particular way that can like help both of them. So where is the future of the recruitment, especially in crypto? So we start using like a lot of tools related also to AI in order to make it easier and faster, in order to match the profiles with the JDs. And then we are saving time as we are providing only really accurate data to our clients, but also whenever they are working with us, we definitely send them only some really high relevant candidates. So we're building the future of crypto recruitment together. And I believe talents are the most interesting and the most important assets for any type of projects. And yeah, that's why we are here today, to connect with any type of projects related to crypto, tech, and AI. And I believe we have enough resources to help out and build the next generation of crypto and Web3. So we don't have that much time, I believe, but that's how it is. You can find here my Telegram, and also if you want to connect, and also the Search Group website and details. So thank you so much for your time, and I'll see you in the next conference. Thank you.